All right, with our elbow pasta, I'm gonna grab my sharp cheddar and we're gonna add 3 cups of our sharp cheddar right into our crock pot with our uncooked pasta. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, that looks like about 3 cups. We're gonna go ahead and just spread that right on top of our pasta. Next, I'm coming in with some broccoli florets, and we are gonna put them right here on the side of our crock pot. That looks beautiful. I used half of this bag. And then next, we're gonna add our Hunt's fire roasted tomatoes, and we're gonna put that right there. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good, you guys. All of my favorite things in the crock pot. Next, I'm gonna bring in my smoked sausage. You can use whatever kind of sausage you like, and we're gonna go ahead and cut our sausage into coins right into our crock pot. This is gonna be so easy, so delicious. One of my favorite crock pot dishes. So it'd be great for Thanksgiving, or if you just want a Sunday dinner in the crock pot. Everyone loves this. You can add, honestly, whatever meat you like, whatever veggies you like. It is just my take on a crock pot mac and cheese. Yes, mac and cheese, you guys, with all of the add-ins, because you can't just have plain old mac and cheese for dinner. You need to have some protein and some veggies. So let's go ahead and get this whole sausage chopped up into our crock pot. Okay, delicious. Of course, that pasta is uncooked, so we gotta add some liquids. So I have 1 can of evaporated milk, and we're gonna pour this all over our crock pot. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am too excited for this. Now that's not enough liquid, so we're also gonna add 12 ounces of whole milk. Oh, this is gonna be good, you guys. Add that whole thing of milk in there. Yum. Don't need too much liquid because that cheese will melt. All the juices from the tomatoes, the condensation from the crock pot will all be perfect for this dish. Now we're just gonna toss everything together, get everything well mixed so that when we start to get this cooking, everything, all the flavors get combined and we get a beautiful crock pot dish. All right, that looks absolutely beautiful, yummy. It is time to put our lid on our crock pot and turn this on high. All right, it's been 2 hours on high and I'm gonna turn this off. I did mix it after 1 hour, so we did give it 1 mix already, but this is ready. Let's go ahead and, oh my goodness, this looks so creamy and delicious. That pasta is fully cooked. We just gotta make sure to really mix everything together. It's important that you mix it halfway or else those noodles will stick to the side. We kind of already got a little bit of those noodles stuck to the side, but that's nothing we can't work around. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look incredible, babe?
Oh, this smells and looks delicious.
This is just, you know, your crock pot mac and cheese, but with a most delicious twist. Oh, all right, time to serve this up. We have that sausage in there, the broccoli, the tomatoes, the sharp cheddar. Oh, yes. Okay, let's go ahead, give this a try. Oh my goodness, can't believe how perfectly cooked those noodles are. The flavors are on point. You guys gotta try it.